The state of Florida has officially returned $878,000 it had withheld from 8 local school districts, including Alachua and Duval counties, for implementing mask mandates earlier in the school year. As Jake Stofan shows us, the districts were surprised by the move, but the Department of Education says it had always planned to return the money.
$309,000 in school board member salaries had been withheld, along with an additional $568,000 after some school boards went to the federal government to backfill the lost funds.
We did receive a check from the federal government, but we had not yet cashed it by the time we learned that we were getting the money reimbursed by the state.
Alachua School District Public Information Officer Jackie Johnson says the district wasn't expecting the state to return the money.
So we just sent the check back to the feds.
But the Department of Education says it was always part of the plan. In an October letter to the U.S. Department of Education, Florida's Education Commissioner noted the money would be returned once districts came into compliance. The Florida Education Association says it's just happy to see the conflict come to a resolution.
I mean, at the end of the day, what every school board and superintendent wanted to do around this state was make sure that they keep every child safe.
And this will likely be the end of the school masking debate, at least for the foreseeable future, now that state law clearly states masking is in the hands of parents.
Our hands are tied.
And with the potential for a winter spike fueled by the Omicron variant, FEA is urging Floridians to do their part to ensure the safety of students.
But it takes all of us working together to make that happen.
And the department returning the funds also avoids a possible run-in with the federal government, which had planned a hearing to determine whether the state's actions constituted a violation of federal law. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, Channel 4, the local station.
In a statement, the DOE Director of Communications, Jared Ochs, said, "We are glad that these districts have finally recognized that parents have the right to make personal and private health care and educational decisions for their children. The department will continue to make sure that those rights are protected."